There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I get some more of my scripts out. Alright, now let's see. Go like this. Let's see, put this on here. What I'm gonna do is, see, I'm kind of just redneck in it. It's coming along. I gotta cut this off here. There's too much going on here. And how do I quietly cut it late at night? Let's see, turn this over this way. I should just cut it over here first. Alright. So anyway. Why does this thing not want to cooperate? Ever. I swear these things are made for... fuck up. Here's a small hammer. Small hammer. I know, somebody complained I'm using the wrong kind of hammer, but you know what? That's all I got. There we go. I mean, I could buy a new one for $299, right? Brand new barbecue or fire pit. Just be like, here. But I mean, what the hell's the point of living if you're not going to make your own shit and try and fix it? Doesn't make any sense. Alright, there we go. Let's cut this way. It's like it doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. So now let's see. Now that we know every vice grip in the world's falling off. Alright. See, the big question is what are we going to use to hold this thing down? Come on. A little right around here. There we go. Different hammer. Alright, so anyway. So far I got that. I'll cut this side off. Yeah, that's what I do for fun. Nowadays I record myself and put myself on YouTube for fun. Yeah. What a champion. Let's go like this. These things, I don't know, I really need to like... That's why they make electric ones. There's got to be a better way than using one of these suckers. See, sometimes you go one way and sometimes you go the same way and it doesn't want to work. I don't know. Losing my mind here. So anyway, like this. Doesn't want to stay. See? Goddamn thing keeps falling off. Good old-fashioned vice grips, huh? Just don't want to stay on. Oh, there we go. So yeah, we kind of got it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it just has to go on. Maybe I need to make a big round bowl or a big hydraulic press. Like boom, 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 and done. So now, I wonder if I put it in the beater bag, on the beater bag here, and maybe I can stretch it. Let's see. It's not perfect. Not perfect at all. But it does the job. See, it covers it. Because it's going to go on the inside. Maybe I should cut that off there. So anyway, this goes down. Ooh, we lost it. How am I going to put it in there? Just a few, couple tacks, that's it. So anyway, got myself a semi thing, useful thing here. Let me put a different wheel in there. Into the wheel. This wheel's got too much of a radius on it. My miniature English wheel here. I'd fire up the planishing hammer, but it's too noisy. Too noisy. Noisy. See? Now, we're getting somewhere. It's not the perfect radius, not the perfect cut either, but hey, could be worse, right? I mean, it might have a little hole in the corner here, but just a lot. Cut it off right here. Maybe over here. Cut all that off right there. Just temporarily. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. Hope you probably can't even see the goddamn